#1 tank engine, and I love to race. When I went to China, a lot of things looked different. But one of the engines was just like me. All aboard for a big adventure! #1 engine. One day, when I was working on the Chinese railway, I was running a little late.
Easy, Tiger.
Sorry, Yongbao. I took a wrong turn into a siding.
That's okay, Thomas. You're here now, just in time for your coaches, An and Yin Long.
Ni hao, Thomas.
Hi, hello. Ni hao. Back on the island of Sodor, my coaches Annie and Clarabelle love it when I go really fast.
Really?
Oh, yes.
Faster, Thomas! Faster!
Once I went so fast that I flew way up into the sky, as high as the moon.
Go, Thomas! You're #1!
It doesn't sound very believable.
Are you sure that's what happened, Thomas? You made that up.
Maybe it wasn't quite like that, but it felt like it. One thing's for sure, where I come from, I'm the #1 tank engine.